What it do, YouTube? It's just who? It's just Jane back with just another video. If you are going to start a YouTube channel, now is the best time to do it, okay? I can't tell a lie. Like, we are literally in quarantine, so you have no distractions, you have no schoolwork. I don't know if you're working, baby, but a lot of people are out of jobs, so you really don't have a lot on your plate right now. So baby, start a YouTube channel today, and let me tell you how. Look, I'm wearing my YouTube over social life shirt. If I would have listened to this motto whenever I got into college, and if I would have stuck by this, I would have grown so much more and so much faster than what I'm doing and where I am now, because girl. But that's not the point of this video. YouTube is powered by Google, so you need a Gmail account. You have a Gmail account, you can have a YouTube account. Like, literally just make your Gmail YouTube account. So whenever you start your YouTube channel, it's also very important that you give yourself a profile picture. Nobody's gonna subscribe to somebody that doesn't have a photo. I'm sorry, why would we do that? Like, we want to see your beautiful face. And then you're also going to want to make a YouTube banner. You can make it yourself, you can pay somebody to make it for you. Your YouTube banner is the thing that's right at the top of your channel that people see. That's not your profile picture. Now, there are videos on how to make a YouTube banner, and I'm not going to get into that information today, but you can make it as simple as you want or as busy as you want. It's up to you. The channel you're creating is literally your empire. You're building it from the ground up. What kind of videos are you gonna make, girl? You really gotta think about this. Are you gonna make vlogs? Are you going to make skits? Beauty videos, like makeup videos? What are you going to do? If you want to have a wide range of videos that you do, go on ahead. That just ranks you in the lifestyle category. Make videos you want to make and do what you want to do. Your channel is your world, so it's anything you make of it. But if you are starting out, I suggest doing some videos that are super popular and trending, just to give you a little bit of a boost from the beginning. If you want to make one video and leave for like a month and come back, that's fine. You're not gonna grow that way, but you're a beginner, so it takes time to learn, and YouTube is hard work. Like, people think this is easy, and it's not. Like, there's levels to this, and people don't understand that, and people don't know that until they start running in this game. It's hard. It is so hard. A $500 camera, $100 studio lights, $100 mic is not going to make or break your content. It's really not. The equipment you have is not gonna get you 1 million subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. It's not even gonna get you 1,000 subscribers. It's really not about the equipment. Don't go out and spend your money on an expensive camera and all of this lighting until you know YouTube is something that you actually want to do. Back in the day, I started YouTube off on a Kodak camera. Y'all remember Kodak? Well, they're bankrupt now. After the Kodak camera, I moved to my iPhone. And back in the day when I would do nothing but film with my phone, I made it to like 2,000 subscribers just with my phone. There are YouTubers who literally still film on their iPhone and they have millions of subscribers. Just with this is all you really need, genuinely. Yes, I have a DSLR camera, I have a Canon T3i. When I vlog, I still use my phone, and you can't even tell there's a quality difference because your phone films in HD. And they have tripods you can use on your phone too. They have ring lights. Like, they have equipment to where you can use your phone to film if you need extra stuff as well. Once you pass that, if you want to get into using a camera, you can't really use a DSLR camera without a tripod. So if you're going to purchase a camera, get a tripod, and a microphone is not a necessity, but I highly recommend getting a microphone as well because it just makes you sound better. Like, that's why I sound so good right now. use natural lighting. So if you can find a window near you, open up the blinds, make sure to film whenever it's sunny outside so that you have that natural lighting coming in. Or if you need to amp your lighting up some more, you can use a lamp. I used a lamp. I used to use natural lighting and a lamp, but now I just be using those studio lights because I made it. There are multiple different types of editing software you can use to edit your videos and throw them out on YouTube. So if you're filming on an iPhone, iMovie, download it, film everything on your phone, and then put it in the iMovie editor, very simple to use. Save it to your camera roll, upload it to YouTube. In the case that you are using a camera, if you're using Mac, you can get iMovie for Mac, which is free, or you can also get Final Cut Pro, which is $300. So I really wouldn't suggest getting Final Cut Pro from the get-go. And then if you're using Windows, if you want something super basic like the Windows equivalent to iMovie, then use Windows Movie Maker. If you want something a little more advanced, there are lots of different options. You can use Wondershare Filmora, which I use when I use Windows, and I loved it. It was amazing. I would compare that to like Mac's Final Cut Pro personally. And then with Mac and or PC, you have the option of using Adobe Premiere Pro, which is in fact $300 regardless of if you're using it on Mac or PC, but it's easy to use on both. A thumbnail is the photo that you see before you click on a video. So it is that first picture that tells you, ooh, I want to watch that, or like, nah dog, I'm good, I don't want it. If you're taking a thumbnail photo on your phone, don't do portrait mode because it just won't fit in the thumbnail frame. Take it landscape wise. You can use different editors to put words and colors and all of that. If you are editing a thumbnail on your phone, I suggest you use PixArt. You can like put your words there, save it to your camera roll, and then when you upload on your phone, you can put it on the video. If you are using a computer to upload your content and make your thumbnails, you have a few options. There is PicMonkey and there is Ribbit. I use Ribbit because PicMonkey started deciding about 2 years ago it was going to charge its users to make thumbnails, and I just wasn't about it, so I said, okay, what else do we have out there? You can still use PicMonkey. You can use PicMonkey, you can edit your thumbnail, you can screenshot it, and it still works. If you're using Ribbit, they're free, so you don't even have to like pay for anything or go through the hell of screenshotting something. Your measurements for your thumbnail are always gonna be 1280 by 720 if you want the picture to fit in the whole frame for YouTube. Now, once you film and edit your first video, it's time to upload it. And once you upload it, make sure you are putting in a description. Don't just leave your description blank. That's boring. We don't want it. If your description's blank, we don't want it. Put in keywords in your description. Use the tag section that YouTube gives you. Make sure you do that so that your video can be pushed out a little more for viewers and everybody to watch. Go and subscribe to channels that are like yours and comment on their videos. Don't be like, hey girl, I just started my YouTube channel, go on, come subscribe, because nobody's gonna want to do that, baby. That's spam, and it's not illegal, but it should be because it's super looked down upon here on YouTube. Don't do it. You'll burn bridges. It's not cute. It's not a good time. Just leave nice, genuine comments on other people's YouTube videos so that they can like see you and know who you are and be like, oh, like maybe she has content that I want to go and watch. And I hope that you will be starting your YouTube channel soon. If you do actually start a YouTube channel because of this video, just like leave a comment down below and tell me, because like then I'll actually watch your videos and leave a comment or something, give you a like. Just like you should leave a comment and like this video as well. And tap that subscribe button while you're at it because we're still here. 1, 2, 3, peace.